New Orleans, with its rich history and vibrant culture, is also known for its unique architecture, blending historic charm with modern convenience. However, in a city where old meets new, ensuring the security of your home or business is a crucial priority. One often overlooked but vital aspect of home security is your doors. If your doors are outdated or damaged, they could be leaving your property vulnerable to break-ins. Upgrading your doors in New Orleans can provide significant security benefits, safeguarding both your family and your belongings. Enhanced protection against break-ins. One of the primary benefits of upgrading your doors is enhanced protection from burglars and intruders. Older doors, especially wooden ones, can be easily compromised through forced entry methods like kicking or prying. While modern doors come with added layers of protection, many high-quality doors now feature steel or fiberglass construction that is not only more durable but also resistant to tampering. Additionally, upgraded doors come with stronger frames and advanced locking mechanisms that provide more resistance to break-ins. In neighborhoods with a higher risk of crime, such as areas close to downtown or tourist hotspots, having upgraded doors with modern security features can deter potential intruders and reduce the chances of a break-in. Reinforced doors are built to withstand impact, offering a much stronger defense than older models that may have been weakened by age or environmental factors like humidity. Improved weather resistance. New Orleans is no stranger to severe weather, including heavy rains, hurricanes, and high humidity levels. These extreme weather conditions can cause significant damage to doors over time, particularly those made from wood or other materials that are not designed to withstand the elements. An upgraded door with better weather-resistant materials, such as fiberglass or steel, can significantly improve your home's ability to withstand natural disasters. Fiberglass doors, for example, are not only more energy efficient but also resistant to warping, cracking, or swelling, making them ideal for the harsh conditions in New Orleans. With the right door upgrade, you're not only improving your home's security but also enhancing its ability to protect against the elements, which is especially important in a region prone to storms and flooding. Better insulation and energy efficiency. Upgrading your doors also provides security benefits through improved energy efficiency. Older doors may have gaps or cracks that allow drafts and heat to escape, making your home less comfortable and more expensive to maintain. By investing in energy-efficient doors, you can improve your home's overall insulation, leading to lower energy costs and a more comfortable living environment. Energy-efficient doors often feature advanced sealing technologies that help keep your home's interior temperature stable. This added insulation not only keeps you comfortable year-round but also helps protect valuable items in your home from humidity and temperature fluctuations. The better the seal, the less likely unwanted elements will find their way into your home. Smart technology integration. As security technology continues to evolve, so too do the options for door upgrades. Many modern doors come with integrated smart security features that can greatly improve the overall security of your property. For example, smart locks allow you to control access to your home remotely, giving you the ability to monitor who is coming and going. This added convenience and control can help keep your home secure, especially when you are away on vacation or working late. Smart doorbell cameras, like those available in New Orleans, allow homeowners to visually monitor the entrance to their home, offering a layer of security beyond just the door itself. These devices can send alerts directly to your phone, letting you know if anyone is approaching your property. Integrating these technologies with upgraded doors further strengthens your home's security infrastructure. Aesthetic appeal and increased property value. In addition to the security benefits, upgrading your doors can also improve your home's curb appeal. New, modern doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials, allowing you to choose an option that complements your home's design. Whether you're in a historic district or a newer neighborhood, a stylish door upgrade can give your property a fresh look. Moreover, upgrading your doors can increase the resale value of your home. Potential buyers are often more inclined to invest in a property that has secure, energy-efficient features, knowing that they won't have to replace doors or deal with security vulnerabilities after moving in. Conclusion: upgrading your doors in New Orleans is a wise investment for both security and peace of mind. With better protection against break-ins, improved weather resistance, enhanced insulation, and the ability to integrate with modern security technologies, upgraded doors provide a comprehensive security solution for your home. Whether you're looking to improve your home's safety or increase its value, upgrading your doors is a smart and practical choice that offers long-term benefits.